Everyone loves healthy, home-cooked food, but making it can sometimes be intimidating. However, healthy cooking doesn't require you to become a gourmet chef. You can use basic cooking techniques to prepare various foods in a healthy way. Today I'm going to share with you 6 of my all-time favorite healthy cooking methods. Roasting is a great cooking method that doesn't need constant supervision. Roasting is a term often associated with veggies, but it is also great for meats, fish, and nuts. I like to roast my veggies without any oil or seasoning. Once they're roasted, I add a good quality extra virgin olive oil and seasonings of my choice. Broiling is similar to roasting, but unlike roasting, broiling has its heat source coming from above. It also happens to have a much higher temperature, often starting at 400 degrees. This allows the food to get crispy on the outside and stay juicy on the inside. Steaming is a good way to retain nutrients. By steaming the food, the water-soluble vitamins are also retained, which otherwise can get lost in other cooking processes. Cooking anything from fresh veggies to fish fillets this way allows them to stew in their own juices and retain all their natural goodness. There's no need to add fat. It's always good to add a little seasoning first, whether that's a sprinkle of salt or a squeeze of lemon juice. If you're looking to preserve anti-cancer properties, research suggests that steaming could be the best way to cook the broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Just add whatever flavor enhancer at the end to spruce up the taste. In terms of getting maximum nutrition without sacrificing flavor, grilling is a great option. Grilling is great in that it doesn't use as much fat, but food is prone to sometimes burning and can produce carcinogens, which is a cancer-causing agent. Stick with lean cuts of meat that require less cooking time and keep dark meats on the rarer side. Stir frying is another simple and healthy cooking method. While this method does require some oil in the pan, it should only be in a moderate amount, just enough to get a nice sear on your meat and vegetables. The key is using the right oil and the right amount of cooking time. Using an oil with a high smoke point like avocado oil is important. Stir frying requires high heat, so keep the cooking time short. It's a great way to get a lot of veggies in. Poaching is a cooking method that submerges food in hot water just below boiling. This process locks in flavor without the use of oil, butter, or heavy frying. For people on a weight loss plan, poaching is one of the best ways to conserve flavor without adding calories. Poaching is commonly done with eggs, delicate grains, and certain vegetables. Remember to add flavor boosts to whichever cooking method you use, but do so at the end of the cooking to retain flavor. You can add vinegar or citrus juices, but again, add them at the last moment. Or just add dried vegetables and fruit, such as mushroom, tomatoes, chilies, cherries, cranberries, and currants. They have a more intense flavor when dried rather than fresh. To both novices and seasoned chefs, cooking can sometimes feel like a vast, unpredictable sea full of strange ingredients and even stranger rituals. The trick is to jump in again and again and again until you begin to confidently establish your go-to cooking techniques inside the kitchen. To learn more about healthy cooking and weight loss, visit our website at healthyweightloss.com.